Hey, boys and girls, we're coming in to talk about reading this morning and talking about our nursery rhymes. We've introduced you to 2 nursery rhymes this week. We talked about Hickory Dickory Dock, where that mouse ran up the clock. We've also talked about Jack and Jill and how they went up that hill. Well, we've got a new nursery rhyme we're going to talk about today. Let me show you what it looks like. Maybe you can tell me what it's going to be about. Look at those pictures. I see a castle. I see a man that's sitting on a wall. The name of this nursery rhyme is Humpty Dumpty. Let me read it with you. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Now, what is Humpty Dumpty? He's an egg. So if he fell off the wall, why couldn't the king's men put him back together again? Because what happens to an egg when it falls? That's right, it breaks. So Humpty Dumpty could not be put back together again because he broke. I have a fun activity for you. But first, we are going to take a look at some pictures. All right, here are the characters of our story. First, we have Humpty Dumpty. There he is. He's sitting big and tall on the wall. Next, Humpty Dumpty fell off the wall. Look at his face. He looked kind of scared. Here's the king's horses and the king's men. They must live in that castle. And they were not able to put Humpty together again. Look at poor Humpty. He's sad. He's got broken pieces out of his shell. What are we to do with a broken Humpty Dumpty? After you watch this video, you're going to put an activity together of your drag and drop, and you're going to put the story in order of what happened first, second, third, and fourth. When you're done with that, I've got a fun game you can play with your parents. I want you to go into your room and find a pair of socks. And just like Humpty Dumpty fell off the wall, we're going to play a tossing game where you can toss a ball of socks back and forth to your parents, taking one step back each time you catch it. I want to see how far you can make it playing the toss game. Now, that ball of socks is going to represent Humpty Dumpty, and you don't want it to fall because what happened to Humpty Dumpty? He broke. He wasn't able to be fixed again. Tell me all about your game. I want to see you guys have fun. Have a great day.